Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Krystal, and thank you for joining me today. I don't know what is this? I guess I'm hitting them with the whoa. Isn't that what that is? I don't know. Anyways, if you're wondering why my hair looks the way it does, that's because we're gonna do a hair tutorial today. Okay, it's gonna be quick, it's gonna be easy, it's not gonna take long. This is for the lazy girls that wanna look cute, but don't have a lot of time to put in to looking cute. Okay, so let's get into it. All right, first thing you're gonna need is hair. It doesn't matter what it looks like. Also, a hairbrush. Don't judge the fact that mine's covered in hair. This is real life, okay? I didn't even think about the fact that I should probably clean it out before doing this, but oh well. Brush it out. You're gonna want to brush out the hair. All right, there you go. We're brushing it out. Is your hair nice and tangle free? Cool. All right, doesn't matter if you have dirty hair, clean hair. You know what? This probably is better for dirty hair. You're gonna need something to part your hair down the middle, and you're gonna need some sort of elastic. I don't care what you use. You can use a ponytail holder. Hell, you can use a scrunchie for all I care. This is your hair look. Do what you want. Let's see. Might need a couple of bobby pins. Or you may not. It depends. Sometimes you get lucky with these and right off the bat, they are looking good. Sometimes you need a little help. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is part down the middle. And quite honestly, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're not here for perfection. We're here for getting something done with our hair so we can get out of the house. Okay? All right, so part it down the middle. It's probably not perfect. Look at those roots. I'm getting my hair done next week. Don't worry. All right, you're going to decide how much you want to pull up on each side. I'm going to pop this little mirror here because I'm trying not to look over here, but anyways. All right, so I like to kind of go from the brow, kind of like between the arch and the tail of my brow, and kind of just go up. Okay? And then we're going to have this piece, okay? This down here, this doesn't matter. We don't care about that. You can take the time to kind of scrunchie this all together so you don't grab it, but it is what it is. All right, we're going to take an elastic in our hand. Do you see? We've got this hand on the hair. We've got the elastic. We're going to put it around. Then we're going to twist. Okay, the hair is still in the elastic. We're not going to pull it all the way through. We're going to twist. We're going to twist. And we're going to do a little messy bun. Okay, it's not going to turn out the same every time. Sometimes it might look like crap. Sometimes you might hit it and it looks cute right off the bat. If you've got any weird tails or pieces that don't look right, that's where a bobby pin comes in. I'm kind of happy with this one. We're not going to fool with it just yet. We're going to leave it how it is. But sometimes you might need a bobby pin. All right, same over here. We're going to grab our finger. We're going to come up and around. Okay, we've got our piece of hair. We want to make sure that they're pretty much even. Now, I will say, my hair doesn't grow as thick right here. After postpartum hair loss, my hairline has never been the same, okay? But this looks about even. We're going to grab our elastic again. We've got our hair in our hand. I don't use a brush. I just comb it with my fingers. I like a messier look. And then again, we're going to grab. We're going to twist. We've got the hair with the elastic in the twist. We're just going to ball it up. We don't care. And then we're going to kind of do this. Do you see? Do you see how easy that is? Okay? Took no time at all, and you're ready to go out the door. If you want to get a little extra fancy, grab a curling iron, grab a straightener, grab anything you want. Throw a couple of waves in the bottom. But honestly, I just like to do this. Now this hair right here, I must have slept weird on that piece of hair because do you see how she's wanting to kick out? I'm just going to tuck that behind my ear for right now. There we go, tucked behind the ear. If you want to, you can get a little fancy. You can back comb at the root, give it a little bit of body. If you like a little bit of bigger hair, back comb, give it a little bit of floof. You're done, guys. Do you see how quick and easy that was? It takes practice, and I will say when you're taking these little elastics out of your hair, be careful because they will break your hair. I know they say that they're ouchless, bullshit, okay? Especially if you have longer hair and you're really like wrapping it around there, you gotta be careful. Now, with these, if you have like a piece that you don't really like, you can't grab a bobby pin, you can just kind of stick it in there and just kind of turn it into whatever you want it to be. You know what I mean? You can change the shape. You can pin back like hairs that are sticking up if you don't like that. Me personally, I think it's cute. But there you go. 2 messy space buns up top, the rest down. It's out of your face. If you're trying to grow out curtain bangs, if you're trying to grow out just bangs in general, if you don't like your hair being in your face, but you like the rest of it being down, this is a very good option for you. Try it out. Let me know in the comments down below if you do, if you found it easy. To me, this is one of the easiest hairstyles. Also really good for working out, especially if you have a lot of hair and it's heavy, and putting it up in a bun or a ponytail kind of like gives you a headache and weighs your head down. This is really good too. If you want to see any other hair tutorials, if you have any specifics that you would like to see, leave in the comments down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so before you go, and I will catch you next time. Bye.